How to recover permanently deleted emails from Gmail. So if you want to recover your permanently deleted emails from Gmail, then let's see if it's possible or not. First, you need to open up your Gmail application. Once you open up your Gmail, you just need to simply go with the upper left, which has that 3-bar icon. And once you're here, you just need to simply go with the trash icon, and you need to simply search for your missing emails on your trash. If you find those, then it's good. But if it's not helpful for you, then what you can do is just simply go with your browser, Google anything that you are using, and search for Gmail messages are missing. Once you've searched, now you just need to simply tap on the option which is support.google.com, and you'll have Gmail messages are missing on your Android. Tap on it. And if you're using your computer, you'll have a computer option also. You can simply go with computer. In my case, I'll just use Android. Now here it says that you need to open up your Gmail app and then type in :anywhere and then enter some information in the mail, and you'll have your results. Or if you're here, you will have a green color interface, which is right here. You just need to simply tap on it and copy that interface. Tap on copy and then go with your mail and tap on search in mail and then type in there or paste it right there and search. And after that, you will find those emails. But if it doesn't work for you, then you need to try the second fixes, which is check if the email was filtered or not. But you can do these from your computer because many of them can be done through the Gmail app. So you can simply check if the email was filtered or not, and check if your emails are being forwarded to another account, and check your settings if you read your Gmail emails with another email client. Or all of these doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply scroll down and tap on most of my emails are missing. Go with the drop down, and here you will have an option of we can help find your missing emails and secure your account. Tap on that, and here you can simply tap on continue, and the Gmail message recovery tool will guide you through the recovery process. And in my case, it says unfortunately your missing emails were permanently deleted and we can't get them back. But if you have another kind of interface, then this tool will guide you with the following recovery steps. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.